Hello everyone. So I'm gonna do a vlogging. So this is a public cemetery. We are here in a public cemetery. So this is a graveyard. So this is located in Libacao, okay? Poblacion Libacao. Okay. This is a public cemetery that you don't want it to see. Because it is a public. I don't know what time it is, but yeah. Midnight niya gabi, paagi ako. Gablog ako makra. Okay. Where should I go? Wow. Oh. Wow. It's so cold. Paagi ako. Paagi ako ah. Paagi lang ko. Hop. Paagi. Whoa. Paagi. Okay. Here we go. Oh. So you can see that. It is a graveyard. Wow. Nice. Saan papunta to? Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. Tabi-tabi. Tabi-tabi. Uya. Tabi-tabi. 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 Paagi ako. Grabe. Itikang mo lang ako makara. Paagi ako. Paagi. Grabe. Paagi. Ay. Danlog. So my cousin is scared to go here. I don't know why they are scared. Oh. Grabe. Akasya dito. May akasya. Hello. May multo ba? Uy. Yeah. Grabe. Tirik ng daan. Okay. Hindi ko makita yung daan. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa National Highway. Grabe. La ilaha illallah. Muhammad Rasulullah. Amin ya Allah. Alhamdulillah. So, nandito tayo ngayon. Palabas na tayo ng National Highway. Okay. So, wala lang. Nilakad natin yung hindi naman to kabilugan kasi ano, it is it is so big, okay? This cemetery here in Libaco is so big. So that's why, nilakad ko lang from dun sa bahay ng uncle ko, hanggang dito sa, ano, you know, oh, sa Welcome Libaco. Yeah. Welcome Municipality of Libaco. Yun lang. So, nagtatakbo ako doon. Hindi naman sa atin nagtakbo, balik nag-jogging, ano eh. Kasi wala eh, lobat na. Lobat na po yung power bank ko. 1, 2, 3. O yan. Lobat na kasi hindi ko talaga makakita yung daan. Kaya ayun. Yan. Yun. Akalain mo yan. Kasi yung mga pinsan ko, akalain mo yon. Noong November 1, iniwan nila ako. Kasi nga takot sila. Baka daw may multo issue ganito, ganyan. Eh kasi noon, alam ko naman kasi na may buto ng tao doon. Kaya ayun, ako na lang mag-isa. So I walk few kilometers to reach that area. Okay, that way, okay? The destination. That's the very the starter line, okay? So here we go. Dito na tayo sa waiting shed. Because I'm boring. I really got bored there waiting to my father because he was drinking an alcoholic drink even though he is drunk right now. And they're inviting me to drink an alcohol because I said no. Because if I get drunk, I'll do this kind of English, you know. And they will leave me alone. That's my father here.